Link Property Services is pleased to offer for lease 59 Mulgrave Road, Mulgrave. Approximately 9,100 square metres of yard in north-western Sydney. The yard is located less than 1 kilometre from the intersection of Mulgrave and Windsor Roads, with Hawkesbury Valley Way and Windsor Town Centre located close by. The regular shaped yard has a substantial 71 metre frontage to Mulgrave Road with dual driveways. Zoning is IN1 General Industrial, allowing a broad range of users to occupy the yard. The yard is available for immediate occupation and can be leased as a whole or divided into 2 parcels, subject to the owner's approval. 59 Mulgrave Road represents a unique opportunity for yard users to lease hardstand in a market which has limited supply. Please call Link Property Services for further details or an inspection.